How to check the camera megapixels on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is just launch the camera application on your device over here. And as you launch the camera application, you can just click any picture randomly. Now as I already clicked a picture, so just tap on the picture and open it. You can go through the gallery or directly open from the camera as well. Then as you tap on the picture, you'll be able to see the three dotted lines over here at the right side of the screen at the bottom. So tap on it and then tap on the details option. Now, as you tap on details, here you'll be able to see the file information where you can see the different pixels and the file storage. And then here you can see the data as well about the power device. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.